This little puppy was left abandoned at our house that we're having built in Davao City. Not sure where she came from, but thankfully the workers who are building the house decided to look after her. We'd always planned to get a puppy at some point, but this opportunity came around, and as we said, this little puppy found us. So we decided to adopt her and take care of her. She's a little puppy bundle of fun, and we think she's about 6 to 8 weeks old. Her name, we're calling her Becky. We waited a couple of days just to make sure that Becky was actually going to stay and nobody came to collect her. But we obviously decided to take her to the vets for a complete checkup and to get deworming done and start the process for vaccinations. Becky is definitely a crossbreed, but there's also a lot of Jack Russell features in her, colourings, markings, and we're seeing some Jack Russell behaviour, very active. Becky is loving all the attention and all the fuss and the cuddles, just like any puppy would.
Like that vitamin.
Nibbling my finger. Nibbling my finger there. Becky takes plenty of puppy naps, and she's met all the family now. Those who'll make a fuss of her and play with her, and she's great really at socialising already. You can see the difference in Becky from the first photos we took of her to now. She's much more confident, she's not scared, and she enjoys being around everyone and following people around and just being cute. We've decided to take Becky back to our other house in Decca. This house is getting finished, so there's going to be a lot going on, and it'll be easier for us to keep an eye on her there than having her staying here at the house. The guys working at the house have done a great job looking after Becky, but now it's time to move house for a few weeks. Becky's getting used to her travel box. We're off to Pet Zufari at the moment. Need some supplies for Becky. We can't wait to move into the new house. The build's nearly finished, and we'll soon be doing these regular walks around the new house and the grassy areas and the fields, and getting this one trained properly.